Hello, what's up, guys? This is in continuation of motovlog number 25. We're at the property. I thought I'll give you a little tour, aerialish tour of the property. I'm standing on the terrace of the property. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can have a look. So that's the main gate. That's where we enter from. That's a little parking area. That's my bike. All other bikes are parked alongside this wall. I'm on the terrace of the property right now. It's more like a decent sized farmhouse with 8 rooms. This is the terrace area. That's the cover terrace area. That's where we were all sitting last evening, and we had a good time. This is the open courtyard foyer that they have. The reception is below me, and that's where the restaurant is, and that's where the pool is. So I'll just quickly take you around. So some of the boys are sitting there enjoying themselves. So it's a pretty property, and it's quite basic that way. We've got rooms there. We've got 2 rooms here, and 6 rooms down that. So the construction that you see there, that entire row, these are 6 rooms here, and then there are 2 suites there. In fact, that's the entire property, and that's the pool. The boys are here. So I thought I'll give you a quick tour. This is the best way to cover the property. Standing on the terrace, you kind of get a whole 360 view of the entire resort. Nice. It's located. There's nothing around us. Very little construction. Nice hills around us. It's nice and green. It's sort of quiet, though we have a main road outside, and we have quite a bit of local thoroughfare. But yeah, nice. Very nice. Good morning, guys. This is 22nd of October, Sunday, last day. We are leaving now from Courtyard Siriska, back home, back to Delhi. Most of them have left, as in they're waiting outside. We're the last few ones. We're just leaving now. It's been a good trip. I will, of course, switch on the camera on the way as well, and we'll keep you updated till I reach home. It's been a good stay, and it's been fun. ETA to Manesar is around 1:15, and it is, well, hold on, what's the time right now? Yeah, it's going to take about 3.5 hours. It's 9:40 right now, so it's going to take about 3.5 hours to Manesar, and then I guess another hour back home. So thank you. So on the way, while getting out of Siriska, we have to cross this little hill, which is amazing twisties. Like I think this is like the best stretch in the entire highway. You can lean the bike, and it's a lot of fun. we left the resort about 3 years ago, and just after riding for about half an hour, Buffy noticed some problem with his rear wheel. So we stopped to take a look, and the bike is, and there seems to be an issue with his rear wheel hub. So we've stopped on the way, and the bike cannot be ridden back to Delhi. So we've called for a tempo to transfer the bike to Delhi. The tempo is coming all the way from Alwar, and Alwar is about 40 km from where we are. That's about an hour's drive. So we've half of the group was ahead of us, so they didn't stop. They carried on. We didn't want to call them back and waste their time. But the few of us who were with Buffy, we've been sitting here for about an hour now. So chilling. So I thought this is one update on our way back to Delhi. So I thought just keep you guys informed. Not that by the time you watch this, we will be well back home, safe and sound hopefully. But still, these are things that happen, and these are things that are part and parcel of riding bikes, moving in a group, whether it's a car, whether it's a two-wheeler. Things happen. Shit happens. But then we all stick together and we work on it. Alright, I'll see you guys. By the way, these are the boys who are here with us. So if those who don't know, that's Buffy. He's the one responsible for holding us here hostage with his bike and rest of the boys. So I'm back. Mr. Buffy is right. This is the man responsible for making us wait. That's his bike. It's finally on the crane, whatever trailer you call it. And this shall now go back to Delhi with Buffy, and we will finally move. So we are now leaving from where we've loaded Buffy's bike. I've recorded the clip earlier on my phone. So Buffy's gone ahead. We'll catch up with that tempo crane that's carrying his bike to show you guys what it looks like. Finally heading back to Delhi now. Oh, finally, time to get home. So that's Buffy's bike going on the tempo. Buffy's sitting inside the tempo crane. Bye bye, Buffy. Safe travels back to Delhi. Once again, see you there. Good ride, good trip. See you, Mukul. Take care. Thank you, thanks. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. Okay जी. See you, Pratik. Alright जी, bye bye. See you, Sunny. Take care जी. Alright प्रशांत. Take care जी. यार फिर आप सामान उठवा रहे हो ना? सामान हम वो लड़का आएगा ले जाएगा. आराम से ले जाएगा. No problem, no problem. Take care, take care. See you. So the ride's come to an end. We've said our goodbyes, we've parted ways. Heading back home finally. So it was a fun ride, guys. And I will probably see you next weekend. I don't know when I will be out with this vlog. I will try, whether it's 1 or 2 vlogs, whatever it is, I will try and come out with this as soon as possible. You guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.